This is it. I hope you can hear it. It's not that exciting. These are my glasses. I got them the other day. This is a cool CD, which you can't see. I lent it to my friend 2 months ago. I just got it back. This is my cell phone. I know. This is some New Orleans food. Not really, just a little. You can't see anything, so I'm going to pick it up for you. Jambalaya. Chicken wings. Chorley's the true Negro in us. And corn. I don't know what those numbers are, but I just wrote them down randomly in the middle of class. I've been wearing this bracelet for 2 years now. It's not even a bracelet, it's just string wrapped around my arm. Whatever, goodbye. That was really lame, sorry.